In the back of my mind, I always knew that I wanted to be a teacher, but I was actually kind of discouraged from doing that. So I pursued an alternate route. I actually have my master's in accounting, but I hated accounting. I decided that maybe I needed to think back to where I felt like I had always belonged, which was teaching. So I looked into the alternative certification, and that's how I ended up here. I think I just always loved learning. I had amazing teachers, phenomenal teachers all throughout school. I still think about them fondly and still remember them, and I wanted to do that for other kids. I wanted to be kind of those teachers that I had in my life that were influential. I try to just get to know each of my students every year. I have them fill out some information about themselves, and I take time to read that, go through and kind of put their hobbies, their interests, and what they like with their name, and then ask them about it. Find a time in class where I'm walking around, getting to know them. And then I also think that putting myself out there, letting them know things about me, letting them know that I am a real person, and I think that that really helps go a long way with helping create relationships with them. We're doing a lot of hands-on projects. We learn about the concepts and we talk about them and they're introduced, but then we always have some kind of follow-up with it where the kids get to interact with something. They are learning a lot of soft skills, a lot of responsibility, time management, critical thinking, because I don't always give them the right answer. I help them learn how to find the answer themselves.
Okay, you gotta watch carefully. Do it again, and watch what happens to the card go. Which direction does it go?
Down.
And which direction did the card go? So which wall would that be? Oh! Yes.
I think the biggest thing that the kids enjoy is the 3D printers. So they learn how to create their own designs in Tinkercad, and then we get to print them and to see their eyes light up when their design is getting printed on the 3D printer and when it comes off, and they know that they created that and it came out and it's tangible. Just seeing those kind of projects come to fruition. I was very shocked and flattered, of course, when my coworkers nominated me. It was just a really humbling experience. I teach with the best of the best. I know everybody probably says that, but Brink is top tier. I think they selected me because they see how much I care about my students and how I really want to make sure every kid that's here at Brink finds a way to find somewhere that they belong or know that they're important. I always want the kids to know that someone thinks that they are the most important person in the world. And if that someone needs to be me, it will be. I really became a teacher because I love kids and I want to make a difference in their lives. But what was surprising to me is how important my coworkers became to me. It's like another family. So I love teaching, I love where I teach, and I love who I teach with.